Normally I try non-destructive methods of locks, but this one here has, underneath this sticker, it only has two rivets, and these two pins here are the only thing that's holding this together. So you can, using just a regular flathead screwdriver, you can slowly work your way around and pry this thing apart. The benefit to this one, being able to pry it apart, is you can then see what's all on the inside. And this one's being stubborn for me for some reason. It doesn't want to open up on me.